image poisoning. This is what happens when we have basically data that is poisoned over time on the internet, that LLM is feeding itself, scraping the web. So it will download millions and millions of images from the web to feed its training algorithm. And then you have a normal image, a clean image, you feed it some random noise. It looks the same for the human eye, but then the model sees it as a different type, a different category. You can see a few examples. So if you poison it with a few hundreds of examples, this is not perfect, but once you give it enough examples, you start to identify dog as cats and things like that. This is the first kind of attack on AI systems. And to illustrate, I show you some image poisoning, but this can also be applied to text poisoning. So with LLMs. So you can see here recently a breach that happened with Copilot, where Copilot is feeding itself from emails of the user. Any email that the user received, including attachments, it will feed the Copilot. And so what hackers did is they introduced some attachment with their bank account information. And over time, the model learned to associate the bank account the attackers gave to the bank account of the user. And when basically the user was asked to transfer money to his own account, it was transferred to the attacker's account.